I see it. Hello guys, today we got another train. Today we got Sherman's before curfew, like around 10 minutes before curfew. And here he comes. Here he comes. See? I was right. I know stuff. Wait, let me see what track he's on. Yup, first track. Back up. Mom, it's on the first track. Sounds like CSX or NS, or it might be something. Alright guys, back up more. Back up more. Oh wait, I think it's an S. Oh mama, I smell the engine. Oh god, it smells bad. Yes! Daddy! Mama! I did it! I got 23 minutes of space right now. That's why I got my tablet. Because my phone ran out of space. Well, that was short. That was really short. Alright guys, it is 7:42 and we are about to be late for curfew, maybe. Okay, I'll see you guys later, and bye. And he passed the signal. Look at it.